Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a twist out in my hair. I just finished washing my hair and I detangled it before I actually washed it with conditioner, and I left the conditioner in with these same exact twists for about 3 to 4 hours. So I'm simply going to keep these same twists in my hair, and I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner, Cantu leave-in conditioner, my tea tree oil, and my coconut curling cream. All Cantu products. These are my main go-to products. The oil, I usually switch up my oil. Sometimes it's tea tree, sometimes it is olive oil, coconut oil. It all depends on which one I put my hands on first. So I'm going to actually start from the back and work my way up. Not using a comb to part my hair. I'm just going to keep these same twists in there. I may separate the two in the front because I know how long it takes my hair to dry, and my hair is like soaking wet right now, so it may not even be dry by tomorrow. So hopefully I can go ahead and get these in and go ahead and start the drying process for my hair. So let me go ahead and get started.